Hi everyone. Today we are discussing about vitamins. Vitamins first discovered by Casimir Funk in 1912. Two types of vitamins. There are fat soluble vitamin or water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. Water soluble vitamins are B and non B complex vitamins. B complex vitamins are two types. What is energy releasing vitamins and hemopoietic vitamins? In energy releasing vitamins, B1 thiamine, B2 riboflavin, B3 niacin, B5 pantothenic acid, B6 pyridoxine, B7 biotin. Hemopoietic vitamins are B9 folic acid, B12 cyanocobalamin, and vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It comes under vitamin non-B complex vitamins. Here we'll see vitamin A is known as its chemical name is retinol. It's a fat soluble vitamin. US recommended dietary allowance per day in males 1900 microgram and females 1700 microgram. Vitamin A deficiency leads to night blindness and hyperkeratosis and keratomalacia. If overdose comes hypervitaminosis. Which foods are available in vitamin A? From animal origin is vitamin A, fish in general, liver and dietary fruits. From plant origin as provitamin A, all trans beta carotene, orange, ripe, yellow fruit, leafy vegetables, carrots, pumpkin, squash and spinach. D vitamin. D is calciferol. It's a fat soluble vitamin. Male and female recommended dose is 15 microgram. Both male and females are same. Vitamin D deficiency leads to rickets in children, osteomalacia in adults. Overdose will give hypervitaminosis. Food sources: lichen, eggs, liver, certain fish species such as sardines, certain mushroom species such as shiitake. And come to vitamin E. Vitamin E is known as tocopherol. It's a fat soluble vitamin, 15 milligram in male and 15 milligram in female. Deficiency leads to hemopoietic anemia in newborn babies. It's very rare, and overdose possibly increase the incidence of congestive heart failure. And food sources are many fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, oils. Next, vitamin K. Vitamin K is known as phylloquinine and menaquinine. It's a fat soluble vitamin. Recommended male dose is 110 microgram and female dose is 120 microgram. Deficiency leads to bleeding diathesis, and overdose may lead to decreased anticoagulant effect of warfarin. And food sources: leaf greeny vegetables such as spinach and egg yolk liver. Next, come to B and B complex vitamin. B1 is known as thiamine. It's a water soluble vitamin. Recommended dose is 1.2 milligram in male, 1.1 milligram in female. Deficiency leads to beriberi, Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. Overdose may leads to drowsiness and muscle relaxation. Food sources are pork, wholemeal grains, brown rice, vegetables, potatoes, liver, and eggs. And B2 is known as riboflavin. It's a water soluble vitamin. Recommended dose in male 1.3 milligram and female 1.1 milligram. Deficiency may leads to riboflavinosis, glossitis, angular stomatitis. And food sources are dietary products, bananas, green beans and asparagus. Next, come to vitamin B3. It's known as niacin. It's a water soluble vitamin. Recommended dose in males is 16 milligram and females 14 milligram. Deficiency may leads to pellagra. Overdose may leads to liver damage. Food sources are meat, fish, eggs, many vegetables, mushrooms, trees, nuts. Next come to B5 pantothenic acid. It's a water soluble vitamin. Recommended dose in males and female are same 5 milligram. And deficiency may leads to paresthesia. And overdose may lead to diarrhea, possibly nausea and heartburn. Food sources are meat, broccoli, avocados. Next come to vitamin B6. It's known as pyridoxine. Recommended dose in males 1.3 to 1.7 milligram and females 1.2 to 1.5 milligram. Deficiency may lead to anemia and peripheral neuropathy. Overdose may lead to impairment of proprioception, nerve damage doses. And food sources meat, vegetables, trees, nuts, bananas. Next B7 biotin, water soluble vitamin. Both male and female recommended dose is 30 micrograms. Deficiency may lead to dermatitis and enteritis. Food sources are raw egg yolk, liver, peanut, leafy green vegetables. Next come to B9. It's folic acid. It's a water soluble vitamin. 400 microgram in both male and female recommended dose. Deficiency may lead to megaloblastic anemia, and during pregnancy associated birth defects like NTD, neural tube defects. Overdose may lead to vitamin B12 deficiency and other effects. Food sources leafy vegetables, pasta, bread, liver, krill. Next come to vitamin B12. It's known as cyanocobalamin. Recommended dose is both male and female is 2.4 microgram, and deficiency may leads to vitamin B12 deficiency anemia. And food sources availability in meat, poultry, fish, eggs, milk. Next come to vitamin C. It's known as ascorbic acid. Recommended dose in males is 90 milligram and females 75 milligram. Deficiency may leads to scurvy. Food sources many fruits and vegetables, liver. Vitamin C is used post-operatively. Thank you.